Hi, and welcome to Neo Just Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look is also an anniversary look. This is to celebrate 2 years of videos on my channel, and today this is Pink Diamond. Um, I kind of had this little running thing that I unintentionally started where uh, to celebrate 1 year on my channel, I do some version of Pink, Rose, or Steven. Actually, those three exactly. So this is my Pink Diamond look. Last year was Steven, and the year before that was my first video, which was Rose Quartz. So this is my 2 year anniversary on YouTube, and to celebrate, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. All the information for the giveaway is going to be at the end of the video, and I hope you guys watch. Yeah. Can't believe it's been 2 years. Thank you. Anyway, I'm gonna go so you can get into this video. Okay, so let's get started. And I already took care of priming. Like always, I already took care of my eyebrows, primed, and set my lids using base from the Anastasia Norvina palette. So this shade right here. And today we're using the Norvina palette. And I'm first going to dip into Love and go really high above my crease. Like higher than I normally go, like really close to my brows. Because we're going to be doing something a little different today. So to play up with Pink's coloring, we're going to go high above the crease. Real quickly, I'm going to blend out the edges using my Sephora Collection number 10 brush. Same with my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, I'm going to lightly dip into Passion and then use that to deepen the crease. Take my Sephora Collection number 10 brush again, which is a little dash of Love, and we're going to blend out that color. Just to see how this is going to look, I'm going to take Wild Child Dry and place that on the lid. Okay, so it's not showing up the way I wanted it to. So I'm going to actually stop using the palette for a moment. I'm going to grab this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit eyeshadow in Mystic Dreamer and apply that to the lid. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry before I go into do what I'm going to do next, and I'm going to take care of this side and I'll be right back. Okay, now we have the pink on. Now what I'm going to do next is... That was almost a mess up. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take my NYX, this is the metallic eyeliner. It's really more like a glitter liner. And I'm just going to like wing out, but also like bring in. So it's going to be like a weird like semi-cut crease type of thing going on, which is why I really want to like focus on that crease. Now I'm going to take my NYX, not NYX, this is my MAC Make It Last liner, and this is in the shade Misty Me. I'm going to really create a wing now. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to restart this and not put the silver in the crease, just because I feel like that did not work out as I planned, but I am going to be back. I am going to be back with full face on as well, and you're going to see how I'm going to like slightly deepen up the corner a little bit more to give it more of the like purples that do show up on Pink Diamond, but I'm also going to remove that. So for the purple, I'm most likely going to use just a little bit of going to use more of Passion just to deepen. But I'm going to be right back. And okay, and oh my gosh, this highlight's gorgeous. So what I used was since we're doing Pink Diamond, I had to use two highlighters. I had to use Rose Quartz and Diamond Balm. Oh no, How Many Carats, sorry. So that combo is what I have on my cheeks. Also, I still have the limited edition packaging. It's expired, but she's pretty. Also, I think my Wet n Wild foundation might be going bad. Yay! Anyway, for the under eyes, oh yeah, now you can actually see what I did to the eyes. Love the silver liner. Anyway, I'm going to take Love and Passion and just run those under the eyes. I'm taking that same highlighter, Rose Quartz. I'm going to pop that on the inner corner. Now I'm going to take a little bit of How Many Carats by Fenty Beauty and pop that in the inner corner as well. Okay, now we're going to move on to the lips, and I have no clue what I'm doing. Okay, now I know what I'm doing. So for lipstick today, I'll be taking my Yves Saint Laurent. This is their the Slim Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade 12. This is not the color I was thinking of. This was not the color I was thinking of. Honestly, I should have gone with my first instinct, which was my Confession lipstick in... This is the Hourglass Confessions lipstick in My One Desire. Yeah, this is a much better match, honestly. But I don't feel like taking this off, so we're just going to roll with it. And I'll be 100% honest. I liked how this looked better when I tried it on in store than I do like right now. But we're going to fix that and we're going to apply the Diamond Milk Lip Gloss by Fenty Beauty. Okay, so I wish I had the color Fussy by Fenty, because that would look a lot nicer with this color. I'm going to real quickly change the lip and I'll be right back. Okay, so this lipstick looks so much better. This is Confession lipstick in My One Desire. Definitely goes with this look a lot better. Because this kind of has like a subtle sheen, I'm not going to apply the Diamond Milk. Instead, I'm going to apply Libra by Wet n Wild just in the center. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to set my face and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the finished look, and I love how this eye look turned out. I love the lip color. I think my foundation, I always have to show you. It's not as crazy in real life. This ring light does wash me out. It just happens. Ooh, I love this eyeshadow and how it looks. And so yeah, here we are with the finished look. Also, this eyeliner looks good with the eyeshadow. I honestly really like it because you had like the pink from her skin and her outfit, and then you have the darker, like they call it like a deep garnet, and then you have pink from her gemstone, and also she has like white highlights. So I'm like, silver, let's go with that. So yeah, I love how this look turned out. And yeah, I love this little tradition. So like I said in the beginning of the video, there will be a giveaway. And let me pull out everything that is in that. Okay, so like I said in the beginning of the video, there is a giveaway. Let me just place some of the stuff down. First thing I want to say is that I have one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. This is Collab. This is Boy Toy. This is their Mad Addiction liquid lipsticks. They last forever. They're really good. And that's like my favorite color. Then I also got my favorite color of the Anastasia liquid lipsticks. This is in the shade Ashton. It's a warm nude, while Boy Toy is like a nice mauve. I do have a highlighter. Originally, hold on. Originally, whenever I was planning this, I was going to get a Poplux highlighter, but Nady sold out. So congrats to him. I know he's going to be doing some fun stuff with what's happening. So he's sold out at the moment. I was going to get Nightlife and most likely Black Ice because those are the two fun ones. But instead, I ended up getting this Wet n Wild loose highlighter in I'm So Lit. This is actually this is the basically exact same color as their Gothic Graphic collection. So this is Moon Tears 2.0, which that was one of my favorite highlighters of last year. Keeping with Wet n Wild, I know it's gonna be like, wow, this is a cheap giveaway. Wait until you see what's after Wet n Wild, okay? So I went hunting down for the new palettes that Wet n Wild has. So this is VI Purple, essentially a Norvina dupe, but I think the metallics actually work better. I haven't tried it. I'm just guessing because I don't know how my experience is with the metallics. And then we also have, this is in Cosmic Collision, essentially a Prism dupe, Prism palette dupe, except these look like really fun. It's a little condensed, so that's good. Next is probably my favorite palette from this last year, which is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I love this palette. I do not want to take it out of its packaging because this is going to be for you guys. So, actually probably wouldn't hurt. I'm going to take it out real quick just so you can see. I use this, and not this exact one, but I use this palette in my Megan tutorial. Look at that. So this would be yours. And I love this palette. I also use it for my Iris tutorial. And then the last one I cannot open because it has a seal and I don't want to break it for you guys. So this is the Pat McGrath Mothership. This is the Sublime Bronze Temptation palette. So I have another one of this palette. I misplaced it. But it's a 6-pan palette. You get like 4 metallics and 2 mattes if I remember correctly. Or no, 3 metallics, 3 mattes. One of the metallics is a multi-chrome. It's red base, but it flips, not red base, it's like a greenish olive gold base, but it has a red flip to it. The other metallics are like a nice green, and the other one, they're like really nice. I used this in, not this exact one, but I used it in my Correct tutorial. You can still see the little seal is still there. Plus, there's one more thing, and this one's going to be a little fun thing. Whoever wins, I want you to tell me what, actually the fun thing is, okay, so this is how I'm going to do this part. I want you guys to comment and tell me what are your 2 favorite colors. Because the final prize is I'm going to make you guys a beanie or a scarf. You're choosing. I want to give back, and so this is going to be something that would be personally made by me and not pre-made because honestly I won't know what your favorite colors are, so you have to tell me what your favorite colors are so I can make your beanie special or scarf. Anyway, so again, that's 2 bigger palettes. You have the 2 Wet n Wild palettes, a highlighter, and 2 liquid lipsticks. And yeah, I am just really grateful that this is 2 years for me on YouTube, and I love this little tradition. I don't know what I'm gonna do next year. I'm like, okay, we did Rose, we did Steven, now we did Pink Diamond. Who's next? I don't know who would be next. Anyway, I should get going because I need to run. I need to like take this all off, do another face, and then run. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button because every time I see a new video, you'll get a notification. Again, the information for the giveaway. Wait, I didn't say that. The information for the giveaway is going to be down below. Check that out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you later. Bye.